Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Poncho. Today I will show you in this video a very beautiful ladies shawl. This shawl is so amazing and so beautiful. This shawl is made of wool thread, cotton thread and silk thread. This work is crochet work. This shawls is made a crochet work. Crochet work is a very beautiful work. This work is very old work. I hope you know this work. This is very beautiful shawls, easy to wear and wash easily. You can wear this shawl summer and winter both. You can wear the shawls is especially occasions. You can wear the shawls is anywhere. I hope you like this shawl designs and color scheme ideas. I try my best to give you a very good video and interesting video. Friends, if you like this shawls video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. This is very wonderful shawl ideas. You make easily the shawls at home and your business purpose. Friends, give me the comments and give me your opinion. Your opinion is very important for me and your comments is very important for me. Please give me your comments and how to like my videos and what do you see next video. I wait your comments. This is so beautiful color scheme. This is very easy washable. You can wear easily. You see in this video very new designs and new color schemes. You can use these shawls winter and summer both. And you can use these shawls as top. You can use these shawls in all time. If you like my video, please share my video and take care. Bye.